Most people wonder why some individuals keep getting richer while others struggle no matter how hard they work. The truth is that wealth has less to do with luck and more to do with daily money habits. The first powerful habit of wealthy people is that they always pay themselves first. Before paying bills or buying anything, they automatically save a portion of every income. This builds wealth without effort. They also track exactly where their money goes each month. You can't control what you don't understand. Financial awareness is the first step toward financial freedom. Instead of wasting money on things that lose value, rich people focus on owning assets. Assets like stocks, real estate, or online businesses grow in value and create income over time. They constantly invest in their skills. They understand that income rises when your value rises. Books, courses, and new skills are tools that open the door to higher earnings. Finally, wealthy people create multiple streams of income. This allows money to flow in even while they sleep, whether through digital products, investments, affiliate earnings, or automated businesses. Changing these habits can transform anyone's financial future. Wealth is created by mindset first, money second.